What is up, YouTube? I'm Tyler, and this is Taz Outdoors. Today's video, we are heading to Seward, Alaska, and we're going to try and snag some salmon, so hopefully we can get on some. Hope you enjoy the video. So pretty much right off the rip when we got there, I was able to snag one, all luck. Couldn't see anything. And I'm fighting it. Eventually, my GoPro does cut out here, but I'm able to land my first sockeye salmon in Alaska. Now this is a beauty. You'll see him come out to the right side right here, and I do eventually land it, and I'll post a picture right after. But you'll see him there. And here is that sockeye. Like I said, it cut out, which was kind of annoying, but I was able to get this good guy in. And then I threw on a drop shot, and because it looked really good for just anything rocky, and started casting out to see if I could catch anything with the drop shot. Just kind of dragging it along the bottom, and within a few casts, I started to get some bites. So you see me cast out again. And I don't know what's in here. I know there's salmon, so it'd be cool to get one of those. But honestly, just trying to get bit. This one, I was working it pretty slow on the bottom, just kind of dragging it. And some quick pauses, and boom, there I am hooking up. Nothing big, but I'm able to land my first rockfish in Alaska. This is something we target quite a bit in California, but we're fishing 200 feet of water, not 5. So that was pretty cool. And this is all just catch and release. Just pop them off, throw them right back in. See if we can catch a few more. So as you can see here, the bite got pretty hot, and it was pretty much non-stop action as I'm just bouncing this thing off the bottom. I was hoping for some big rockfish, but I was stoked just to catch what I was able to get, and hopefully keep up this bite and keep just stacking them. And this, like I said, at this point in the trip, we hadn't really caught much, so this was really fun for us, just to get bit. There I'm just popping it. Pop, pop. And I'm trying to keep it right on top of the rocks, like just bouncing them off, because I'm hoping that the rockfish are down up in some of these cracks, some of the holes, and this drop shot should drop right on top of them. If I was going mid-column, I probably wouldn't get any bites. But just working it slow, finesse style, and eventually you just feel a bite. Nothing huge in this little bay, but like I said, it's all just for fun. Another little rock.
Can you at least cure my boredom over
back
here?
real quick.
So I'm at least getting... Alright. I found the nursery. Felt better for a second. So that one felt better for a second. Dude, they're cookie cutters, same size every time. Ow. Gopher. Ah. Little guy. They're going, Kapow, go get them. Smallest one yet.
Alright, so we were able to get a bunch of rockfish and I got one lucky salmon in there. But I had an amazing time there. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe.